Oh, hello there. It's so good to see you all once again. Here for another tale from the Drift Garage, I reckon? On the last episode, we saw... But there's still much work to be done. Let's get to it, shall we? All right, these 240s come as a one-wheel peeler, so we're gonna drop this diff, open up, and weld it so we got both wheels spinning together, because that is the most important part about a drift car.
That's right, Sea-Dog.
That's right.
Thanks, T-Dog.
All right, we're getting ready to throw this seat in the car.
Forsberg and I run Recaro seats in our Missile cars, as well as all our competition Formula D cars. Especially our Missile cars, though, because we like to thrash crap out of those things.
Yeah, if there's one thing we don't skimp on, it's safety.
All right, seats good. We're gonna move on to the harnesses. Just like the seats, quality safety equipment is extremely important to have. I use Takata harnesses on everything I have.
That's all I use.
These Takata harnesses are sweet because they come with everything you need, so they're not a pain in the ass to install. They go right in the factory location.
Hey Chris, you have that 8mm washer?
I'm on it. Sir, got the washer, man.
I already got one, dude.
All right, we just got the downpipe fitted up. We're gonna put on the dyno, see how much horsepower we get.
Pro tip.
If you got some wide wheels or just some stubborn tires, can't get them to mount up, little brake clean and a lighter will take care of it. So next thing on the list is to get rid of this old blown piece of shit suspension and get this awesome adjustable setup. I got these coilovers from K-Sport. They offer these entry-level setups all the way to full race applications, so that when you're throwing that car side to side on the track, it really helps keep it settled.
Pro tip.
Zip ties are a drifter's best friend. You can make just about any repair you need at the track. All right, well that about wraps it up. We got the diff welded, we got the seat in the car, we got the suspension on, and we even got a turbo kit installed and tuned.
All right, this Missile car is ready to shred.
Hell yeah.
It's been a lot of fun, but it's been a lot of hard work.
Yeah, it's been a whole lot of work.
I wish I could shred this thing what you do, but I'm gonna get the f*** out of here.
It's all good, I'll take it from here.
I'm bailing! going?
Well, friends, the big day is finally here. The car is prepped, tuned, and ready for its maiden voyage. It's finally time to see what this drifting hubbub is all about.
All right, guys, we lost Tuerck, but I got Brian from MMA Motorsports out here at Summit Point Motorsports Park. We brought this turd out and see what it can do. It's not 100% yet, but we want to give it a little shakedown before we get it all ready to go. All right, man, moment of truth. We got it on the dyno, but it's all about what it can do on the track, so let's see. Does good. This thing burned tire real good, man. This thing needs a little more angle, I think. Brian take this thing for a rip too. Any predictions you think this guy will do?
I'm probably gonna spin out.
Fair enough.
Yep.
All right. Come on, Brian. You can do it, man. You don't gotta spin. Oh, oh, oh! Yeah! Hell yeah! That thing rips! See, you don't even need a whole car to have fun. Did you see that thing go by? I think we're at like 82%. Another headlight will put us at 85. Dude, this thing is awesome, right?
It is awesome. I didn't even spin out. This is great.
I know, right? This thing's got just whatever tires we could find, and we didn't even get the front end back on, but yeah. You gotta take it out anyway, you know?
Yeah,
just
right.
rip it, make sure all the wheels stay on, the turbo runs, but it's a blast.
It does the job, though.
All right.
It's
All right.
fun.
Get going. When Brian comes back, we're going to get him. He don't even know it's coming. It's fun for everybody. You spun out less than I did.
That's right.
Well, there you have it. Build a totally functional $5,000 missile car. This thing is a blast. Love driving it. Gets the job done, gets you out on the track, having fun with your buddies. Next things we want to do is, button it up a little bit, get a front end back on there, and we're also going to do one or two more little performance moves to get a little more steering angle and a little more control without these old dry-rotted tires. See you next time.
Huzzah! The boys have done it! Another successful drift build ready for the smashing. Please join us on the next installment of Drift Garage, where we upgrade this drift turd with some performance goodies and even a paint job. Stay sideways, my friends.